Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss what convert Testament to Pantry. So this is the code that I already written to save some times. So this video I am going to show you convert Testament to Pantry by two ways. So this is the first method here and this is the second method. Now let's execute to first the code is. So here so I enter any number. Suppose if I enter 9 then output display the binary format is 1001. And here let's execute one more time. So if I enter 7 so 111 it's a display. Now here after I'm going to comment this code and let's comment that, and here after uncomment this part. Now execute one more time. So enter any number, going to enter 9. Here the binary format is 1001 and execute one more time. So enter any number, the 7. So the binary format 111 it's a display. So first let's understand what is the binary format. Suppose if I'm going to enter and the value 9. So to convert to decimal to binary we have to divide by 2 with any number. So 9 enter, so going to divide 9 by 2. So you divide by 4 times and your remainder come 1. Now divide 2. So you divide by 2 times, here remainder comes 0. Now here after 2, so you divide by 1 times, you divide by 1 times and remainder comes 0. So you have to count from the bottom. So bottom, the first value is 1, next is 0, 0, 1. So here this is the decimal and after applying binary, so this is the value count. So like this, if you enter add here 7. So 7 divide by add here or 3 times, so it divide by or 3 times remainder come 1. And here 3 it divide by 1 times remainder come 1. Count from the bottom, so the value come 1, 1, 1. Now here 7. So 7 is the decimal and after applying on this, so add here this is now converted into binary. So now here this is the code. Now here after I'm going to explain this code one by one. So this code I pasted here. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that go inside. So at here I've taken all three integer variable. First is n, next k, here after I, and two string type variable. First is str and next bin. So str and bin initialize with space. Hereafter console.writeLine. So this are displayed to the output screen, and whatever we are enter, so that convert for fast to, so whatever we enter, so first that accept into a string. Hereafter by applying int dot part, so that convert into integer and that str into n. So going to enter n value 9. Now here after 9 greater than equal to 0, the condition at here, this condition true. So if this condition is true, then that go inside. So at k equal to n by 2. So 9 by 2, so it divide by 4 times. So k value is now 4. Here after str equal to str. So str is now space and here plus and here or n mod 2. So modulus operator return remainder. So at here 9 mod 2 remainder come 1. And here this one value is now converted into a string. So this was the integer after applying to a string method. So it's now converted into a string. So a space concatenate with 1. The value come 1. So the value of str is now 1. Here after k value go to n. So k is and here n is now 4. Now here after that go up and check n greater than equal to 0. 4 greater than equal to 0 condition true. So at here that go inside k equal to n by 2. So 4 by 2 k is now or 2. Now here after str equal to str plus n mod 2. So then str value at here 1 plus n. N value is now 4. 4 mod 2, remainder comes 0. And 0 convert into a string. So add here. This value is string, this value is string. So that concatenate. So here after the new value of str10, it will come. Now hereafter k value go to n. So k value is 2 go to n. Hereafter that go, check the condition, or 2 greater than equal to 0, 2, n value is 2 and here 2 greater than equal to 1, condition true. So that go inside k equal to n by 2. So n 2 by 2, the value come 1. Hereafter str equal to str. So str value is now add here 1 0 and here plus n mod 2. So n value is now 2, 2 mod 2, remainder come add here 0. And 0 is now converted into a string. So add here the value is, it come 1 0 0. Now hereafter k value go to n. So k value is now 1, 1 go to n. Hereafter that go, check the condition, n greater than 1, 1 greater than 1 equal to 1, condition is true. So that go inside k equal to n by 2. So n by 2, 1 by 2, add here, the value come 0. K value is now 0 and hereafter str equal to str. So str value is now add here 1 0 0 or plus n mod 2. So n value is now 1, 1 mod 2, remainder come 1, 1 convert into a string. So add here, convert into a string, the value is 1, add here. Now here after this value return 1 and this value 1 double 0. So after applying add here plus concatenation, the str value is now 1 0 0 1. Hereafter k value go to n. So add here n value is now 0. Hereafter that go 0 greater than equal to 0, 0 greater than equal to 1, condition false. So if the condition is false, so this not go inside, here control comes to this point and here str dot length minus 1. So total str is the 4 character, 4 values, add here 4 minus 1, so this value is now add here 3. Now here after 3 greater than equal to 0, condition add here true. So if the condition is true, then that coincides add here bin equal to str of I. So bin value add here a space and that concatenate str of I value add here. So I value add here 3. So str 3 position. So this is add here 0 position, add here this is 1, this is 2, and here this is 3. So 3 position is 1 add here. So space and 1, the value come 1. Here after that go up and decrease the value of I. So I is 2 now. Or that to check the condition 2 greater than equal to 0, condition is true. So that goes inside a bin. So bin value is now 1 and here that concatenate with str of 2. So str 2 position 0 is there. So new value add here 1 0. So here after I decrease, so I is now 1. Check the condition 1 greater than equal to 0. So condition true. So add here bin equal to bin plus str of I value add here 1. So bin value is now 1 0 and str of 1 position 0. So the new value is 1 0 0. Now here after that decrease the value of I. So I is 0 now. 0 equal to 0, condition is true. That coincides bin equal to bin plus str of 0 position. So 0 position add here 1. Now here after concatenating, the value come 1 0 0 1 and here after I decrease. So I is now minus 1. So minus 1 greater than 0, condition add here false. So if the condition is false, so this not go inside, here control comes to this point, console.writeLine. The binary format is the bin value. So bin value add here 1 0 1, it will display. So this is the steps of execution of this program. Now here after let's see another method. So this is quite simpler than first one. So at here I have taken an integer type variable n, hereafter bin. So bin value initialized with a space. Now this will display to the output screen whatever enter, so that received by n. So n value going to enter 7. So at here for loop there is nothing. Hereafter condition n not equal to 0. 7 not equal to 0, condition at here true. Now that coincides, so at here bin equal to n mod 2. So 7 mod 2, the value come 1 and 1 and bin value at here space. So 1 plus space, the value come 1. Hereafter that curve n equal to n by 2. So 7 by 2, the value come at here, it divided by 3 times. So at here n is now 3. Hereafter 3 not equal to 0, condition is true. So at here n mod 2. So 3 mod 2, the value come 1. So this value is now 1 and hereafter bin value. So bin value at here string format. So 1 concatenate with 1. New value 1 1. Hereafter n equal to n by 2. So 3 by 2 it divided by 1 times. So n value is now 1. Hereafter 1 not equal to 0, condition is true. So at here bin equal to n mod 2. So at here 1 mod 2, the value come at here 1. So this value is now 1 and here bin value 1 1. So if it concatenate, the value come triple 1. So triple 1 that go to bin. So this value is now bin value triple 1. Now here after that go n equal to n by 2. So 1 by 2, the value come 0. So n value is now 0. 0 not equal to 0, condition not true. So control comes to this line. So at here console.write and the binary format and that concatenate with bin value. So triple 1 that concatenate. The output come the binary format triple 1 that display. So this is the second method here. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. So you can try any method whatever you like. So next time you should try to enter n value like 14, 16 and do the same trial method. Definitely you get the expected output. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.